So I'm here today because I'm in the novice league for the debate tournament. For my first debate so far, I think I did pretty good. I just need to work on the cross-ex.
I feel like debating, it gets me. I have a passion for it.
My name is John Shea. I'm coach of Immaculate Conception Catholic Academy debate team. Absolutely huge improvements, considering a lot of them didn't even want to get up in front of their own class and speak.
We're in debate, well, I'm in debate because I want to just work on my confidence and stage fright. I want to be more comfortable in front of everybody and speak publicly.
Students are phenomenal. Our debate team is literally like a family. The whole community in Lexington Academy is like a family.
SRO searching students help save a child's life if they're being abused and see bruises on their body.
My son is just like me. He's outgoing, he can speak to anyone. But what I do see is the confidence in the topics that he's able to talk about, the research that he's able to do, the discussions he has at home with us.
Judge, this debate centers on a resolution to grant a path to decisions of undocumented English immigrants. Again, we oppose the resolution. First, I'll attack their arguments and then continue to prove ours.
What I'm asking you is how are you going to justify the fact once we have solid evidence and we also have proof that most police aren't racist.